Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. I create premium WordPress plugins and sell them on CodeCanyon. Today I will present to you a new update that I made for the Xlsxomatic plugin. It is able, starting from now, to do many advanced stuff that it was not able to do until now. So to demonstrate the new features, I created a test importing Xlsx file, and I will show you using it. So let us check first our blog. It is empty. And the first thing that was added is that the plugin is able to import categories from the Xlsx file. The categories could be imported until now only from the content of the generated post. However, now each column will be able to contain categories that can be directly imported to generated posts. So let us show this in action. If we check posts now, there are no posts generated. And let's check the Xlsx file. It is the fourth column that contains the category names. So if I want to import categories from the fourth column, 1, 2, 3, then I have to go here, auto add categories, and select column 3 as the source of the categories. Save settings and run importing. If we check new posts, we will see here that the categories were added exactly like in the source file. Okay, so this is the first update that was added for the plugin. The second update is that it can add subcategories to generated categories. So if you have categories added, you can also add subcategories. And if I want, for example, for the category to be added from column 2 and subcategories from column 3, it will be generated category as the main category this, and these will be the subcategories of the main category. So let us see this in action. Let us delete generated posts and run importing again. And here it is. All the categories are added. However, if we check category listings, we will see that this is the main category and all these were added as subcategories for the main category created. Okay. Another feature added was the custom post taxonomy feature. You can use this to generate custom taxonomies for generated posts. So here is some help on how to achieve this. The usage of it is like this. So you can copy it here. And this is the slug of the category, the ID of the category. This can also contain shortcodes like column 1, for example. Sorry, it is like this. So this can also contain shortcodes like this, and the value for the taxonomy can also contain shortcodes. So keep in mind that you can define taxonomy values and IDs directly from the Xlsx file, or you can manually submit them. If you want to add multiple taxonomy values, separate them by like this, and you can add another one here. So if we want here, like for example like this. Okay, so this is another feature that was added, and another cool feature that was added is the possibility of removing content if a value from the Xlsx file is empty. So let me show this in action. If we enter here column 1 and enter here column 1 start and column 1 end, and we enter a static text, for example this is column 1, this static text will also be hidden if the column 1 data is empty. So let me show this in action. Remove this and re-import it, and if we go to posts, there is no text that we entered there. To make it appear, we have to enter a column that actually has data. So column 1 here does not have data. So if we enter here 2, 2, 2, 2, this should appear, because it will not be removed because the column 2 actually has data. So let's get back here, posts, check the newly generated post, and we should see this is column 2. So this text was not removed this time because column 2 has data. One thing to remember is that the columns should have at least a space in them, so they should not be fully empty, because if they are fully empty like this without anything in the column data, then the plugin cannot recognize it as an empty field. So if you have empty fields in your Xlsx file, you should put a space in the empty field, and like this the plugin will recognize it as an empty data and will ignore it. Okay, so these are the main features of the update that was created for this plugin. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and until next time, have a great day. Bye bye.